Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix if in the case that our TikTok account got hacked. So if you want to go ahead and recover your TikTok account, just go ahead and launch the TikTok application. And then if you can't necessarily access your account through here, you could also go ahead and launch your browsers and search for the TikTok help or support. This is going to take you to the TikTok support right here. And what you should basically access is the option to see, of course, the account that has been hacked. So if in this case that you're already here, what we need to go ahead and do is to go ahead and tap on login and troubleshooting. And you can actually see some guides about, of course, logging in. But if in this case, you want to go ahead and just contact TikTok altogether, you can easily go ahead and do so just by going over on through here and then just doing a quick search as well of hacked account. So if you go on over on my account has been hacked, you could actually see the different options that you could also do to regain back access to your account. But if in the case those information could still not help you, you could actually go ahead and access their safety center over here. Or you could also go ahead and proceed with searching for the TikTok customer support. So once you basically search for that, just tap on the contact on the first link, and then all we need to do is to go ahead and tap on the help center over here. So this is also going to take you to the option to view some of those solutions you could also do, but essentially the solution is going to be located right here. And if you still don't have access to your account, you could actually just tap on report a problem over here, and then just go ahead and submit just by following these instructions over on the TikTok application. And that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.